What is all the hype about sobriety when it comes to addiction? Why is the only question people want to know is, are you sober and for how many days? And why do addiction treatment programs announce their success rates based only on sobriety? Is this all addiction is to everybody? A problem that needs to be fixed? A disease that needs treatment? Or a crisis that you must spend your every last dollar on right now if you want to save yourself? I think not. Addiction is a journey of the shadow side. It is a walk down your own dark alleyway as you learn to bring light to every aspect of yourself and your life, all in the purpose of coming back out in your own time as you rediscover yourself. Sobriety is not synonymous with recovery. Sobriety just means that you found a way to discontinue your addictive behaviors for a little while. But as many of you know, those windows of abstinence are usually short-lived. Until you learn that recovery is a process, not measured by sobriety, but measured more by growth and transformation as a whole, you'll continue to miss the point of addiction recovery and keep fighting that illusionary battle that'll just end up taking you deeper into your addiction and suffering than you ever needed to go. My name is Deanne Adamson, and I am the founder of Being True to You Addiction Recovery Coaching, and I am going to host a webinar to discuss why learning to manage your existing drug use is the first step to recovery and how plant medicine is setting people free. Over the last 5 years, I've predominantly worked with individuals addicted to opiates and heroin who are using ibogaine as their transition into abstinence. What we have clearly established completely changes the way that we see addiction recovery in comparison with the mainstream paradigm. In my upcoming webinar, I will share 3 misconceptions about addiction treatment that are keeping you and your family in the trenches of continual relapse with nothing to show but more grief and debt. I will also discuss the opportunities that plant medicine has to offer, such as ibogaine, to your recovery. I am here to invite you into these discussions and discoveries that will take our society into the new era of recovery, which will help you gain perspective to better structure your recovery and help you avoid many of the mistakes that families are being guided to make right now. It is time to wake up to the business and the private interests behind addiction treatment and tune into the truth about how to budget for and get connected to your real path to recovery. So give me 90 minutes of your time, and I guarantee that I will give you a new perspective in which to look at addiction and recovery from. Let me help you step beyond the old paradigm of addiction recovery that suggests there's something wrong with you, or that you're sick, or that you have a disease, or that you have to be sober in order for recovery to count, and you'll have to suffer while you do. True recovery is about developing your strengths, connecting to your purpose, and discovering your true self. It's about finding your joy and your power and your passions in life, and this is exactly what we offer. So register below and allow me to share with you how I have helped so many people just like you get their lives back and set themselves free. Again, enter your email and your first name below to join my free educational webinar in regards to real recovery and the misconceptions about addiction treatment that you should know. This is a limited space offer. The doors will close, so make sure you register with your email, and we'll see you soon.